Want to replace the hinges on your freezer? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver, a socket wrench, and new hinges. Step 1. Remove the old hinges. Remove the top of the freezer by unscrewing the screws. Then disconnect the cable from the display. Unscrew the top hinge and lift out the old door. Now loosen and remove the lower hinge. If your hinges are attached to the door, unscrew both of them from the freezer and remove them from the door. Step 2. Place the new hinges. Attach the bottom hinge to the freezer first. Place the door back on the freezer and then fit the top hinge. Attach the top hinge and tighten the screws firmly. If the hinges are attached to the door, fit them to the door first and then replace it as a whole. You have replaced the hinges and the freezer is ready to use again.